What's going on, everybody? Today I have this nightstand, and this thing is really cool because it's actually wrapped with leather. Let me just take a step back so we can look and see how this looks in the room. I have a dresser over here that's about the same color, and this is actually made of like a high density board, and this is leather, so that matches pretty well, and it just goes with the room. So this is really good for a nightstand. It's gonna be good for like bedside because it's just gonna be perfect to put your phone on, alarm, or something like that. Check this out. This is actually a leather material, and these latches in the front are actually pretty cool because you press on them and you pull them. You got plenty of storage going all the way throughout. We have another drawer on the bottom. So all in all, you're gonna have a ton of space, which is really nice. These are really deep. It's not super wide, but there is enough room to like put some decor on here and some of your essentials that you need. The best part about this is when it arrives, it's fully assembled. This is probably the first piece of furniture that I didn't have to do anything with. You literally take it out of the box and it's ready to go. You can set it right up. So if you want something that's quick and easy, looks stylish, modern, aesthetically pleasing, this is definitely something I highly recommend. What other piece of furniture can you take out of a box and set it up and it's ready to go? Check this thing out, add it to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.